So my husband got a whole case of heavy whipping cream, so we have tons of it. So I've been using it in everything I can find. Mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, hot cocoa. So I did have him buy the hot cocoa because I was like, I can make ice cream with the rest of it, and that way I can have some chocolate ice cream. He bought a lot of nuts, because it's been good for our blood pressure. So these are walnuts. So I'm gonna do for myself a maple caramel hot cocoa, pecan hot cocoa, and for him, he wanted rum, so I'm gonna do a rum vanilla for him. Obviously less sweet because it's only gonna be sweetened with the condensed milk. So let's see what that is. 21 grams. So that'll be the only sugar that's in his. And I've got the big bowl for the chocolate, tiny bowl for the vanilla, and let's get started. Whipping for about 3 or 4 minutes until it gets a little bit more fluffier, a little thicker. It's thick and wavy now, so I'm going to separate the vanilla for part of it for his vanilla and then flavor the rest. It in here. And pour the rest of the majority in here. I'll leave it there for all of you. I've got about a third left in there. Trying to judge the sweetness because I usually just do one in whole. I always just kind of eyeball this. There's not much you can do to ruin the ice cream. I just want to make sure they both have enough sweetness. And now for the syrups. After you pour the syrups in or your flavorings, you just fold so that you don't crush the fluff of the heavy whip. And I'm going to pour a little vanilla in here too. I just want a little hint, a little maple. I'm actually going to also add some allspice to this one too. I wanted a little bit of an island kick to this one. I added the allspice in here, and I'm going to add a little sprinkle of nutmeg. Oops, not open. A bit more condensed milk to this one, but we're stirring it up. And you just want to make sure that you scrape the bottom and get all the condensed milk stirred up in there. I can taste the sweetness, the rum, the vanilla, so this one's ready. Some sprinkle on top. I know my lighting probably doesn't do it any justice, but it's a light brown. And it tastes so good, so sweet, so mapley, so caramely.